How to remove Temu minimum checkout easily. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page. Now, click on the U option given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page, click on this headphone kind of icon. You'll be directed to the support page. Now here you're gonna find different topics. Head over to the topic Order Issues. Now click on the option Buying on Temu. Click on the option How to get help before I buy. Click on No. Now select the option It didn't really solve the problem. And here you can request Temu support team to remove Temu minimum checkout and send it. Likewise, head back, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you're gonna find the option Contact Us. Click on it. Now here, type in Remove Temu minimum checkout. After you type in that, send it. With that, Temu customer service team will get back to you. Now you can have conversation with Temu customer service team. And just with that, you'll be good to go. Your Temu minimum checkout will be removed. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.